guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography.
Hi, I'm Meals.
I'm Kira.
And these are my nieces. They're ready to work on the homestead today, right girls?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get started.
I'm gonna be harvesting some green beans.
I'm going to be collecting some eggs from the chickens.
All right, let's see what we got.
Oh, I see two.
Oh boy.
Two nice chicken eggs.
Nice. Look at that. Is this the first time you ever collected eggs?
Yes.
Okay, great job. Nice little bean harvest there. And some eggs. All right, girls, should we move the chickens?
Yes.
Let's move them. See how they love the new grass? There you go. Yes. That's good. Really good. And why do we do this? Does anyone know?
I don't know.
So they don't get out.
Not about getting out. You don't want anything to get in. It's like a skirting here. And you don't want them to break through that skirting. That's good. Really good. Girls, you're hired. Right. Woo! Give them some fresh water. There you go.
That's good.
That's good to top it off. Fresh water.
Thanks for coming along with us to do farm chores. We've never done it before and it's super fun.
Hope you like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye!
Bye.